Hey all, welcome back to the Beauty Blossom. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm here with a haul from MINISO, and I did visit MINISO store in Hyderabad, which is newly launched. I'm really in love with the store. MINISO, if you don't know, it's a Japanese store where they have cute stuff and also very affordable range. You have many they have skincare, they have makeup, they also have these makeup tools, accessories, you have some kitchen items, you have storage, and really good stuff. They also have this cute little earphones and USB and portable chargers and everything, so it's really nice, but most of them are affordable. And what I have picked up few, they are below 250 rupees, and most of them are like 150 rupees below that. So let's jump into the haul. And if you're not my subscriber, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. And also there's a small bell button beside the subscribe where you can hit that and you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you are my subscriber and watching my video again, so thank you so much for staying tuned, and I really appreciate that. I know I have not been active on my YouTube and social media channels as well. I have been going through so many things and I was very stressful, and I want some time for myself. Really love this store. They have really cute things, and I did film a video on how the store is. If you have not watched that video, I'll put that link here, and also I'll put the snippets here of the store, so you can just go ahead and see how the store is. And it's in the Panjagutta Next Galleria Mall in Hyderabad. I'm sure they already have a store in Mumbai and Delhi. And I was like, oh my god, whenever some fellow bloggers were making videos of MINISO, I was like, oh my god, how cute they are, and I always wanted to get them. And I'm happy that they're finally here. Yay, that's a good thing. And yes, I have a bag full of products. I'm so sorry for the lighting. I'm filming from my phone, so forgive me for that. But let's jump into the products. And first thing I picked up are these cotton pads from MINISO, and they're so cute. You get 180 sheets, and these are for 150 rupees. So they are 180 sheets and these are for 150 rupees, and they're like really cute. And these are all for cosmetic needs. It has 80% cotton and 20% rayon fiber. It has a ziplock here, so you can use it. And I really go through so many cotton pads very easily because I want to use it for removing my makeup or applying my toner. This is how it is, and it's really nice. Next thing I got is for my niece, and it's her birthday, so I bought few cute little stuff for her. She is in her 8th standard now, and she started using a planner. I mean, she's really good, right? I have bought a planner, and I'm big time struggling in starting up, but she's really nice. She has been using her notebooks and creating a planner and all, but I thought I'll get her one. So in black cover, and you have this cute leather kind of thing here, and you have 3 sections. Like the first one, it has dates, and the second section has this divider, and again it has this all dots where you can she is learning calligraphy now, so it will be useful. And these are like plain pages. I think this is of 240 rupees if I'm not wrong. I just want to see if it is suitable for her so I can gift it to her. But you can divide these books if you want. They are like individual ones, you can divide it, but I think it's good like this. So this is the next thing I got. I really like this, and I will also get one for me. Next thing I got is also for her, and it is this cute little zipper. It says summer party, and I really love it. It's so nice, and I really love this color. There were so many on online. When I saw, there was so many colors, but in store they were out of stock. Within 2 days everything was out of stock, so I could only get this one. This was the last piece, and this is like 230 rupees, and it's really big, like so it's really big, and I really like it. Then I got this cute little charger. I know it's not here, I have just opened and used it. It's so cute. It has a panda on one side where you plug into the phone, and on the other side you have a USB port. And the good thing is they have given this kind of tie. You can tie and tie everything. It's not mixed up in the bag, so it's really nice to carry as well. I wanted really badly a charger and 2.1A USB cable, and this is officially licensed, and this is of 250 rupees. So it's really nice, and I'm happy that I got one which is really cute panda type, and it really charges very fastly compared to the other chargers. Like normally if I put my Android phone on charging with a normal USB charger, it takes like about 40 minutes or so, but this one is very quick. Within 30 minutes it charges more than 70%, so it's really nice. Another charger which is 2.0 m 2 meters, which is little lengthy, and we plugged it to the car, so I don't have it now. And this is of 290 rupees, and this one is of 250 rupees, which is 1 meter. So it's 1 meter, it's 2 meter, so they're really nice, they really work good. And then we bought this earphones. I don't have it now because my husband is using it. Earphones came in this cute little silicone kind of thing where you can twist your earphones and you can put it here. It's really nice. You also have given this kind of extra plex if you lose it, but it's really nice. I'll try to put a picture. It's green in color, and this one was 250 rupees again, so it's a yay, and I really love it. I'm gonna buy one more earphone because my husband has took it from me, and it actually amplifies the sound really high level, and the audio quality is really nice. I always love my Sony earphones. Even for my Oppo phone I use my Sony earphones because I'm in love with that, and this one is equally comparable to that, and it's really nice. So I'm gonna buy again, and this is really nice as well. I bought this MINISO body and breast kind of collaterals brush, which removes dead skin if there's any left out on your body. It's 150 rupees, and you get 2 brushes, which is really nice. And I feel it also helps to make your blood circulate very well on your skin, where you find there's like soft dead skin which you can't remove it normally. So it's nice. It also has instructions on how to use. And I got this massager, which is a body roll-in. This is how it is. So you just have to roll it all over your body wherever you have pain. It's also 150 rupees. It's really useful in my family, so I want to get one, so I got this. They also have different varieties, big ones, small ones, but I thought this one is good, so I brought this one. This is again 150 rupees. Makeup, I really liked one of their lipsticks which were 350 rupees. It was magnetic. I really want to get one. I really like a shade, but I thought I have too many lipsticks, so I don't want to get one again. But I got I also like their eyeshadow. They have 4 eyeshadow quads, and it was really nice and pigmented, but I might try to buy next time, but not now. And I bought this setting powder. It's a loose powder which is 190 rupees. It is really nice. So this is how it comes in. It's matte loose setting powder 1+1, and this sponge is so soft. It's like baby soft. It's so cute. It's so soft. And then you have the cover here. I had to try this one and see how it sets my makeup, but it's in the shade 01 Ivory. And we have bought this water bottle, kind of shaker, protein shaker, or you can use it as water bottle. And this one I don't remember the cost. I think it was around 150 rupees or 190 rupees. I wanted to get one for my husband, and they were not much in stock, but whatever it was there, my husband liked it, so he brought it. It's actually, you have this kind of lemony kind of ball in this, and when you add your protein powder and you want to shake it, you can shake it, and then it mixes well, and it's really nice. For now we are using it for water, and it's really nice to have it as a zipper. The next thing I bought is so cool and so useful for me. That is this phone lens 3-in-1 MINISO. It has this phone lens, and also you have the LED light. I got everything open here, and it's really nice. I can't wait to capture a photo and use it. You have this little cute charger, and then here comes the product. You have this lens cap, and then you have the lens, and I really couldn't figure out how it works properly to take a picture, but I will do my trials. And then you have a plug which you can put it on your phone, and this is the light, and this is 1 2 3. So that's how it is. I'll put a review on how it works. I can't wait to try this. They also have just a camera, just a lens. Also they have just an LED light, but it has everything. I picked up this one, which is like I think 450 rupees. Yeah, it has flashlight plus fisheye and also my macro lens. that was the one. And then I bought this one, which is the Bear's Adult Soft Eye Mask. This is 190 rupees and it is so soft. There is a jelly kind of thing inside this one. There's a pouch, we have to refrigerate it, and whenever you feel your eyes are stressed, then you can actually put it on your eyes and then have rest, so it will be cool. So it's really nice. The quality was also nice. It's also again zippered again, where you can open and use the bag. So I think it's a nice idea to have covers with zipper lock, because when you open the product you don't throw it. I normally tend to miss many of the products, but if it is like this, I use it and again put it here. If I'm traveling, I can use it safely. I picked up these Nano Square towels. These are 150 rupees again. They are like called beauty towels. It's like 4 towels in it, and I'm so excited to try. They're like this size, they're soft, and I've seen online that many of the bloggers use this to save, to save the nature, and they don't use much cotton pads to remove the makeup. So this one, just have to damp it and then try to remove the makeup. Today I will try. I have put on a little bit of makeup today for this video, so I'll try definitely using this and see how it works. And then I have picked up this, which is alligator hair clips. Whenever I want to hair dry or iron or do some hairstyles, and it's really useful. They're really of nice quality actually, and these are again 150 rupees. So whatever I bought, most of them are like 150 rupees, except that lens, which is expensive, but everything is 150 rupees. I bought this cute bag for my niece for her birthday. This one is 450 rupees again. You can actually extend it, and then there's nothing much. It's just one compartment here, and you can extend the strap and use it. I actually wanted one backpack. I have seen that they had backpacks on the store, but they are out of stock, and when I went there was only one. I didn't like much, so I thought this is like really cute. If you want to use it like this, you can use it, or if you want to put the strap as crossbody bag, she can use it. But the quality is okay. It's like not too good, but it's nice quality as well. And here come the last few items, which are really cute. So I bought these 2 little coin pouches, one for my sister and one for my niece. I really love it. I wanted one, but nevertheless I might get again. So these are so cute. These are like good quality. I mean, the quality of these are nice. These are 150 each, and they say Animal Land, and I really like these 2 colors. So you can actually hook it up to a bag, or you can use it as a keychain kind of thing. It's really cute, isn't it? I mean, I really like these bags actually. The last thing is for me. This is the card holder. I really like the quality of the card holder and the detailing. You have this kind of coin here and then the satin ribbon, and when you open it, you have so many of slots. You can put so many of the cards. I mean, I actually have multiple cards, like one for Subway or McDonald's, or random cards which I might use sometimes, but I don't need all the times. But I thought, if when I'm in search of something, I don't find it, so I thought I'll get this one and put all the cards here. And this is like, I think 250 rupees, and it's really a the good buy, because I will keep a lot of cards and I'll make a good use of it. All the things which I bought from MINISO, and I really liked it because it's nice, the quality is good. I think they have to stock up more of the things, and I am looking forward to go again and get something for me, maybe in sale. So I'm so excited and can't wait to go again to the store. If you have not visited, I'll put all the details below where the store is in Hyderabad, so go and try having a glance, and I'm sure you'll get some of the other thing which you love in affordable range. I mean, something like 150-200 is really nice. I've got this stuff. And yeah, thanks all for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give that thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit that comment button and comment down what you feel about it and which products you like more. And also please give me more ideas on what type of videos you want to see, so I can do. So I have couple of hauls which I have pending from long time. I have couple of international makeup which I ordered, like Colourpop, and I have Kylie. So I didn't film a video. If you want to see those, comment down below so I can make one for you. And yeah, thanks all. Talk to you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.